Hi guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I have a favourites video. Now, I've not done a favourites video for a long time, and I was looking through my videos and I really wanted to do this favourites video because I have a lot of new things that I've bought and I'm loving at the minute. So I think it's time for another favourites. So I've got a lot to talk to you about, so grab a drink. I've got a Diet Coke. I'm not going to be too long, but I've got so much to show you. So first, I'm going to take you through my makeup. I have this orange eyeshadow look, which is so cool. I love it, absolutely love it. And I wear it all the time. Can you see there? I just have a clear gloss. I have the Bobbi Brown gloss, which I mentioned in a previous video, lip gloss that I have, and I'm wearing it today. So it's just a clear gloss because I think it just looks really simple. And then obviously I've done my makeup, my eyebrows, just the same thing that I'm always using. My hair I've curled slightly, but I'm still digging this kind of look, this beachy kind of waves look. Can't wait to get my hair done at the end of the month. Hate the roots, and I'm getting some fresh hair too, which is going to be so exciting. Jewellery wise, I have these beautiful sterling silver earrings that are brand new and I absolutely love them. I've switched my jewellery back to silver. I do that sometimes just so I can just, you know, liven things up. I'm really excited to be filming, by the way, with you guys. I've not filmed in such a long time and I genuinely just was so excited when I got everything together. I really enjoy filming. I've really come out of my shell, I think. I was looking back at my first video and I was like a robot. Honestly, it was horrible. I couldn't even speak properly. But I think everyone's like that. In the first videos, it's not going to be amazing. And I was just like this. Hi, I'm Fabio. It was just horrendous. So I have come a long way. And it's all thanks to you guys. I am noticing a lot of crap on my face. Your comments and your good words. And I've made so many lovely friends on YouTube. And I didn't actually think I would. So I'm really thankful for everyone that, you know, just makes me feel so welcome. I honestly feel like I'm talking to a friend. It's so easy to talk to someone on the camera, whereas before it was just so difficult. I really just had to psych myself up to go on camera, but now it's just so easy. But I think it's just like riding a bike. You get back on it and it's just, you know, second nature. So I'm really thankful for everyone who's watched my videos and who's been there for me. I really appreciate it. Without you, I wouldn't even be doing this. I wouldn't be expressing myself the way I feel, because sometimes the world is a nasty place, a cruel place, and my escape is YouTube, making the videos, talking to people, supporting other people. As you know, I suffer with really bad anxiety. I've had a really tough week with anxiety this week, and just filming for you guys really just makes me feel a lot better in myself. So thank you for that. What was I talking about? See, tangent. Yeah, so I have this is it's a beaded choker, which I've been wearing for ages and ages if you look through my videos. Sorry, I've got Diet Coke, but it's sterling silver. Then I have this new, beautiful, it's an Italian choker, and it's just exquisite. If you see face to face in real life, you can see how it shines. And also I have this sterling silver lariat here with a silver detail, it's kind of a teardrop, and it's just beautiful. And I love how it layers with my two other necklaces. It kind of looks like it wraps round. I'm wearing a white basic t-shirt too, and a black silk kimono, and I just adore kimonos. I need to get my hands on so many others. Absolutely love them. Just so easy, so chic, such a boho kind of vibe. Really suit me. I really love them. Then next, jewellery wise, I have just take this bobble out, my HRH collection bracelets. You've seen these many times. Then I have this is just a gold ring, kind of costume jewellery, and another silver one with little indents on it, and my ring. And then I have a heart ring here, which is just beautiful. It's still costume jewellery, but... And also my nails, still rocking the gold orange nails. I'm going to get them redone soon, but I have no idea if you have any thoughts of what I can get. I know Halloween's coming up, but I really do not do Halloween nails. I think it's fucking tacky. I just, even though this literally looks like a pumpkin, I'm thinking of going like a French, you know, the French nails with the V on them. But they've held up quite a long time, to be honest. It's been about a couple of weeks, and they normally break in like a day with me. Oh, I'm also wearing something. I'm wearing a belt, which I'll show you my favourites, which I will actually show when I put it on me too, which goes with the outfit that I'm wearing today. And also I have my vegan leather leggings. Fantastic shot. I've been loving so many things this month. I've been really enjoying buying things as usual. There's literally not a day that goes by without me buying stuff in my house. It's just completely ridiculous. My boyfriend just gets so crazy and angry with me. I just cannot resist. Really can't resist. So, am I too close or am I too far? Hi guys, so I just wanted to come on here and show you this product that came today. Obviously, I finished my favourites video and I was really happy with it, fantastic. And the postman comes and delivers me this. And this is one of the products I was going to show you my favourites. So annoying. I really wanted to include this in the video, but I'm not just going to reshoot the whole video just to put this in. I think it's stupid. So I'm going to add this clip in. So anyway, this is the lipstick and it's a creamy tint colour balm. Ooh. And it's a Korean brand, and the brand is called Mamonde. And this is it's number 1, and it's called Bouquet Nudie. And I love the packaging and I love the lipstick. I'm wearing it now. And it's a very soft, kind of pinky mauve nude, and because I have a lot of brown lipsticks, I was getting a bit bored of the same old. So I wanted something colourful, something pinky, but quite nude still. So this is absolutely beautiful. And I love, love, love the packaging. It's like kind of holographic little flowers. And the writing's all Korean. And it took so long to arrive. But it's absolutely gorgeous. I'm really, really in love with this. It's just the right amount of pink, not too in your face, and it's so hydrating and creamy. My first thing is this Ordinary primer, and it is absolutely gorgeous. I've seen reviews, I've never opened it, but I am going to test it out, I think. Shall I? Yeah, because I've run out of my other one. I don't like to open things when I have them. I don't know what it is. So this is the primer, and it is high spreadability fluid primer, spreadability enhancing lightweight surface, smoother and primer with high flexibility silicones, and it's from the brand called Ordinary, The Ordinary. Now, it's a very affordable brand, and I used to have I think I've shown you in my other video, it was a primer, it's a silicone primer, but it was cream. Now this it looks like scientist kind of, you know when you have in the science lab and you've got all the potions and stuff, it looks like one of these. So basically what you do is you twist the top off. That is so cool. I love that. And it just comes out in liquid form. That is really cool. Like, I can't wait to wake up in the morning and just put it on. Do you get really fascinated with like with things when you just get things and the way they work, like make you know, getting ready that bit better. And it's a gorgeous glass bottle too. And honestly, I think this is about £5-6, and it is revolutionary. It really does make my makeup stay so well. So my next favourite is this beautiful Flutterby. Is it Flutterby? Little stuffed toy. And I know people are going to think I'm absolutely bonkers because I am. But this, sitting on my table in the lounge where my Chanel stuff is, I just love this. It is absolutely gorgeous and so cute. And I actually have another one too. This is the wrong one. I've picked up the wrong one. I have this one in my bedroom, and this is the star of the show. This is Flutterby. Is it Flutterby? And How gorgeous is she? With her gorgeous hair and kind of AB gold wings. I think she's so cute. I'm going to have to take a thumbnail of this because it's so cute. I love it. I love it. So gorgeous. Sorry, I'm just doing a thumbnail. I love her. So I have this in my Chanel, on my Chanel table, and it really just makes me happy. It's gorgeous. She's so cute. I need to name her, but I don't know what. Comment below what I should name her. So that's my second favourite, or third. Then I have these gorgeous new shoes that I bought. And these are from New Look. And yeah, they've got a bit of mud on them. But they're so gorgeous. They're a sock heel, stiletto, pointy, beautiful shoes. And I wear them with everything, really. I wear them with my leather leggings, my ripped jeans. You can wear them skirts. And they just elongate your legs so much. And I just completely love them. They're so stylish and classy. So that's those. Then next I have jewellery. I'm obsessed with jewellery lately. I have this beautiful sterling silver diamond bracelet that my boyfriend bought me, and it's just unreal. It's gorgeous. He's such a sweetheart. He gets me so many lovely things. And there we have it. So I just think even with this, it would look really, really nice. And it's just gorgeous and so sophisticated. So really, really love that. Sorry. I'm really distracted today. Then I have my phone cases. So recently I purchased the iPhone X, as you've seen my review. I swapped the iPhone because I had the black, and I really, really wasn't feeling it. I had an absolute nightmare because I just didn't know what to do. I'd got it on contract, and I just had a week where I was like, I don't understand the colour. It really can't influence a person. I don't know. I know people say it's the colour. It just did not suit my personality. My boyfriend was like, why have you got a black phone when you love white? Like, look at my bedroom. So I ended up swapping it with the white. And I ended up getting some phone cases. Now, the best one that I wanted to show you, I bought from eBay, and apparently it's been lost in the post, which is a load of bollocks, because I know for a fact that it wasn't even shipped. But they were offering me a refund, which, if they were lying, they wouldn't offer me a refund, would they? They'd just say, you know, it got lost, we'll send you a replacement. But I'd like a replacement. So we'll see if they even get back to me. So the first case is a standard silicone clear case. And I don't really like this because the edges kind of get yellow after a while. So this is not that great. The second case I got was this gorgeous glitter. It was about, how much was it? About £25, really expensive, but I don't really use them. I don't know what it is with cases. I have them for 3 minutes and then that's it. So this is the next case. It's like a glitter pink gold, and it's from ESR, I think. And it's really protective and cute. Then this is really stupid. I don't know why I even got this case. This case says Queen, and I really like this. They had them one, like a couple one. One said King. This says Queen, and yeah, a bit naff, but it's something. I don't think there's many iPhone cases at all. And the best one, which arrived today, is this gorgeous marble one. This is my favourite. Absolutely loving this. And it kind of shines. It's kind of an AB marble rainbow kind of effect. So these are my phone cases. And I think the trend seems to be pink, doesn't it, with these cases? So I've got 4 so far. So if there's any web links for phone cases that you'd like me to have a look at, just let me know in the inbox down below if there's any really cool ones, because I love phone cases. I'm obsessed. I literally have to have one every week because I just love them. I also like having the phone without the case, but I'm scared I'm going to smash it because I'm terrible with smashing things. So next I have this nude lipstick from Primark. And I was wearing it in one of my videos. I'm not sure if I've put it up yet or not. But it's a kind of pink, mauve kind of gorgeous colour. And I love how it makes you look slightly dead. I know that sounds crazy. But I wish I was wearing it today. But it's got a sponge applicator, which I really don't understand. Oh. Is that what you do? I don't understand why there's a need for that. So it's called PS Nude Ultra Matte Liquid Lipstick Sponge Applicator. I'm not sure if they still have this because I bought this a few months ago. And do you ever buy something and don't use it and then you find it and it's like, it's changed like the world because you just think it's so great? Great. Yeah, that's me. So that's that. Oh, I nearly broke it. The next favourite I have is my Gucci belt. And this is what I was talking about. And I'm going to try it on with my outfit to show you. And it's absolutely gorgeous. So gorgeous and stunning. So this is my Gucci belt. And I'm just wearing it with an oversized tee and the kimono. And it just looks so cool and stylish. It's just beautiful. I love this belt and it's gorgeous gold. The next favourite I have is food. I love food, but I can't eat too much of it because I just get so obsessed. I'm always, you know, watching what I eat because, like I said in my previous video, I was a lot heavier and it never leaves you kind of, you know, being on edge with food. I'm a lot better than I was, but I cannot eat. I'd rather graze than eat loads because I don't want to put weight on and it does just torment you so much. But I love chocolate. So these are the Dairy Fine Spirals Hazelnut. And oh my God, honestly, I think I'm addicted. I literally eat about 7 of these. I think I'm just gonna have one now because it's so nice. And you know Kinder Buenos, those are my favourite chocolate because I used to have them when I was a kid. And honestly, I love them. These are like the Kinder Buenos and I just adore them. I have to stop myself because I could literally eat the whole packet. So good. And they do coconut ones and double chocolate, and these are from Aldi. I try to watch what I eat, so my only vice now is chocolate. So my last favourite I'm going to just get right now. And I have really saved the best till last, to be honest. My last favourite is my iPad Pro. Now this is my brand new iPad Pro. And I'm just setting it up now. It arrived today. And I love it so much. This is a 10.5 version. And it's obviously restoring from iCloud now, but it's so nice. I've never had this big screen on my iPad. I normally get the 9.7. So this is my iPad Pro and I am in love. So I can't wait to go play with it and see what it's all about. I was toying with the iPad 2018, but the reviews were terrible. So apparently it supports iPencil or something. I can't remember. Shut up, Fabio. I literally just go on for like days on end about one thing. So that's the iPad Pro. Just shorten things. So is that everything? Have I shown you everything? I think I have. Oh, these are, I just want to show you these little gold lint bunnies that my boyfriend bought me. So it's like mother with 2 little babies. I think it's so nice. Got these for Easter, but I haven't eaten them a day. They'll probably go off by the time. And before. Oh, they've gone off. August 2018. No, they've gone off. How does chocolate go off? Right, so that's it, guys. That's the end of the video. I hope you've enjoyed this favourites. I love this video. I think you can tell how much I love it because I never shut up. Please like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think of the video, any future suggestions. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.